Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today is World Password Day. And this has been started in 2013 to raise awareness of people using bad passwords. So we, of course, have a list of passwords that are the most popular. And if you are using one of those, you are possibly looking for trouble, as your accounts will probably be taken over by bad guys. Once again, things pretty much don't change much. If you look at the top ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on, are all extremely popular. Admin, QWERTY, ABC123, Let Me In, Monkey, 11, 11111, Password 1, QWERTY123, Dragon, Baseball, I Love You, Trust No One, Sunshine, Princess, Football, Welcome. Very, very easy words to use. Of course, there are some that that are new to the list depending on what is happening. And so, for example, we have Taylor for Taylor Swift. That's here. There's a few things like that have changed, but overall, this has not changed much in the last 30 years. People still think, oh, well, how can they know it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Well, they will, because it's the most used password. So please do make complex password. I know for a lot of people it's extremely annoying to remember them. But you need to stay safe, and it's important to have good passwords. The other thing also I would say is, enable two-factor authentication. By having that, not only it's a password, but once it logs in from some unknown device, well, you get a pop-up, you get a code, you get something else that you need to do that only you can do, and that prevents the bad guys from taking over your accounts. I often say it, people say, well, even if I lose my email, I'll just create a new one. Why is it such a problem? Well, it is a problem because that email is linked to people you know. Those that want to hack into your account is to use it to send phishing scams and all sorts of, things that maybe your friends or family are going to click on. Maybe they're going to lose money. And it'll be even worse because they'll click on it because they get an email from you. And that means, it's same for Facebook. People are like, well, I'll create a new Facebook. Yeah, but they're going to use Messenger and send links to scam your friends and family. And your friends and family might not be careful thinking it's bad because they're going to see it comes from you. And there's this human perception, and I've seen it a lot as a tech guy, that my friends are always good with their, with their computers and their technology, and, I can't get scammed because they know what they're doing. And in reality, when you look at it, you notice that they don't really know more what they're doing than anybody else. So be extremely careful, and please do not use these passwords. It's horrible. So happy Password Day, World Password Day, and maybe it's time to think about doing a little, going around your accounts and changing the password. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.